UCS Ultimate Civil Engineering Solutions.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, UCSൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഓട്ടോകാഡ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 25 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകളാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ചോദ്യത്തിലോട്ട് കടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദ കമാൻഡ് യൂസ്ഡ് ടു സെറ്റ് ഓർ ചേഞ്ച് ദ ലോവർ ലെഫ്റ്റ് കോർണർ ആൻഡ് അപ്പർ റൈറ്റ് കോർണർ ഓഫ് റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ ഡ്രോയിങ് ഏരിയ ഓൺ ദ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ സ്ക്രീൻ? Options are option A units, option B limits, option C area, option D zoom. Answer is option B limits. Next question, dash is the short key of block edit. Options are option A B, option B BE, option C F7, option D BO. Answer is option B BE. Next question, dash line are used to indicate the termination of a dimension line. Options are option A outlines, option B extension lines, option C leader lines, option D all the above. Answer is option B extension lines. Next question, in AutoCAD, the short key of grid command is. Options are option A F9, option B F8, option C F7, option D F10. Answer is option C F7. Next question, the command used in AutoCAD for breaking a compound object into its compound objects. Options are option A extrude, option B explode, option C stretch, option D break. Answer is option B explode. Next question, which is not a CAD package? Options are option A PowerPoint, option B STAD, option C Revell, option D Ideas. Answer is option A PowerPoint. Next question, which line type is available when you start a new drawing in AutoCAD? Options are option A solid, option B hidden, option C continuous, option D straight. Answer is option C continuous. Next question, files, edit, view, etc. are easily available in AutoCAD from. Options are option A title bar, option B status bar, option C standard toolbar, option D menu bar. Answer is option D menu bar. Next question, in CAD, which mode allow the user to draw 90-degree straight lines? Options are option A O-snap, option B ortho, option C linear, option D polar tracking. Answer is option B ortho. Next question, the keyboard function key for online help in AutoCAD is. Options are option A F11, option B F6, option C F8, option D F1. Answer is option D F1. Next question, command used to create a new object which has shape of the selected object that can be copied to any plane parallel to the old one is. Options are option A offset, option B move, option C rotate, option D none of this. Answer is option A offset. Next question, fillet command is used to. Options are option A draw an arc between two non-parallel lines, option B draw an arc between two non-parallel arcs, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Modify command used in AutoCAD are. Options are option A, extend, option B, erase, option C, trim, option D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. The command used to join two non-parallel lines by drawing a beveled line. Options are option A, extend, option B, trim, option C, chamfer, option D, rotate. Answer is option C, chamfer. Next question. The most effective command used to draw symmetrical object is. Options are option A, copy, option B, array, option C, lengthen, option D, mirror. Answer is option D, mirror. Next question. Which one of the following is not a toolbar in AutoCAD? Options are option A, draw, option B, properties, option C, standard, option D, edit. Answer is option C, standard. Next question. The AutoCAD command to draw rounded corner is. Options are option A, ortho, option B, array, option C, trim, option D, fillet. Answer is option D, fillet. Next question. To plot only a particular portion of a drawing, which option can be selected in plot area panel of plot window? Options are option A, display, option B, limits, option C, window, option D, none of this. Answer is option C, window. Next question. The axis used to show depth in AutoCAD. Options are option A, W axis, option B, X axis, option C, Y axis, option D, Z axis. Answer is option D, Z axis. Next question. What is the minimum allowable number of layers in a drawing? Options are option A, 0, option B, 5, option C, 1, option D, 2. Answer is option C, 1. Next question. Which command create a new object parallel to the object? Options are option A, trim, option B, cut, option C, offset, option D, rotate. Answer is option C, offset. Next question. Extend is dash type of command. Options are option A, drawing command, option B, modify command, option C, both A and B, option D, none of this. Answer is option B, modify command. Next question. In AutoCAD, the command used to create a repeating pattern of the selected object. Options are option A, array, option B, trim, option C, erase, option D, rotate. Answer is option A, array. Next question. Which modify command allow you to cut off unwanted length of objects? Options are option A, cut, option B, trim, option C, extend, option D, move. Answer is option B, trim. Final question. Which command is used to exit from a drawing file in AutoCAD? Options are option A, exit, option B, quit, option C, escape, option D, undo. Answer is option B, quit. AutoCAD എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത 25 പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസറുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതുപോലുള്ള കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോകൾക്കായി പ്ലീസ് ലൈക്ക്, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആൻഡ് സപ്പോർട്ട് മൈ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു.